Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient fill color to shape in Google Sheets document. So get it started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show add gradient fill color to shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Then click for a shape option. Then select from a shape. Then drawing a shape. Now going to the fill color option. Now click for gradient color, then choose color gradient, that is. Then again another shape. Now for click, now select from a shape. Now click for shape. Now drawing a shape. Now change color, fill color option. Now click for gradient color, then choose color, that is. Now click for save and close option, that is. Then you show add gradient fill color to shape in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.